You've been a brilliant audience. Thank you very much. Have a safe journey and all those sorts of things. We could squeeze one more in for Sheffield, I think. We could do the outro of Carl's again. Okay.
I picked you out, I shook you up and turned you around, turned you into someone new. And 5 years later on, you got the world that you'll be. Success has been so easy for you. But don't forget, it's me who put you where you are now, and I can put you back down too. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's much too late to find. You change your mind, you better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's much too late to fight. You think you change your mind, you better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me?
We're his babies. Good night. Thank you so much. Please be good. Please enjoy yourself. I reckon sweet dreams are made of this.